Hello everyone. Oh boy. So how are we going to do this? First off, how do they look like? It is interaction dialogue. So we have to bomb that with some information. I hope I can just use this. Okay. I need some kind of thing here and either have a data table that has the information of what to set, or point itself has it. How does the initialization work? Sorry. If I create an interactable, then it would get automatically cleaned up. But an interactable spawning an interactable is not good. So maybe this thing comes into play now. Why are interactables getting cleaned? I spawn them? Yes, we are spawning them in the point of interest. I mean, it will still be an interactable, I'm thinking wrongly. The generator will be in the level, and the interactable will be needs to be set here. Initialize interactable items. Yes. Yeah, we also have it here. This is wrong. Or no, it's not wrong. Mm-hmm. Make the generator for... Okay, I was thinking about generators in a wrong way. Or in a different way, and now I want to do them differently. Right now the generators were designed to have multiple things for the cave. But now I want them to handle one single thing. Let's get rid of this. This. Now again, what do we send this guy though? I mean, if it's just some strings, I can make a payload out of these strings. Wrong thinking. Hello, Bevy. How are you doing? You're feeling tired. I'm fine. How did we do this again with the items? Ah. It was one table for... Okay, I can reuse it. Again, time to lose my mind, I guess. Thank you. Hello, Yummy. How are you doing? Guess for now we can just take this and now at least spawn it. We have to do the same. Other ones. Something is not right. Oops. Maybe I don't need a generator. Maybe all I need is a point of interest. Oh my god. Okay. The crystal polishing is not important right now. What I'm right now doing is, last time we spawned, we were able to fight a trial orbling and get its essence to then be able to use them to merge our own. Now I want them to spawn in caves if we don't have them. Spawn them from a table with a chance, as in one time you get this trial orbling, another time you get another one. And then I want them to disappear when we've ended the fight and never appear again if we collected them. So that's what I'm doing right now. Right now, my first step is to actually spawn just one. I don't even need to do this. Maybe it's a good failsafe here. And we need to do this. This. This should spawn it. If this works, I can get rid of all the code for generators. Because I then redundantly built something that I already have. But we will see. Right now, our goal is to get rid of generators. Let's see. We have an error and it's not here. So what's going on? Access none trying to read. Initialize generator. Wait, what is this then? There's our file orbling is here. Yeah, it didn't spawn anything. Or did it? Don't see any interaction dialogue. This one is already here. Huh. What happened? Here it is. Don't need a payload. It should have gone in with this. Ah, wait, I didn't add it to the point of interest lists. Of course, a problem. Oh, it should work. Wait, did it save? It didn't save, did it? Nope. It's one of the problems if you have like this. Okay. Let's see. Man, do you guys see this artifact in the stream? Where it like does this flickering here? Do you guys see this? Or is this my monitor? On this edge and this one. Like going upwards like this. You see this? Really, if I look at the stream itself, I don't see it. Let me full screen this real quick. Might be my screen actually. Very hard to see. But it sometimes seems to also do it in the stream. Interesting. Well, stream is not the computer we will play it on, so... A light? Kind of light. Ah, there it is. Here's our little trial orbling, and if I press, it does not have the dialogue. Why? I'm initializing it wrongly, probably. CO11 needs to be, and I'm doing it wrong. We are actually putting the ID in here, but what we need is we have to look up. We need actually this. Put it in here. And then find get row break this to trial or playing spawn, and this one we get for the first for now. Break to elements, and this goes in here. Now we should be able to fight it. And when we can fight it, I will delete all the generators. Deal? Deal. Yeah, I guess I'm not sure. Maybe it's the monitor, maybe different refresh rates from stream versus my monitor. I'm not so sure. But I can definitely see it here. Not on stream, but I can see it here. Looks like a VSync issue, but I'm not sure. Maybe it's also some kind of rendering glitch. Not sure right now. But I have to fix it at some point. Or find out if it's just my monitor. But if it's just my monitor, I still have to fix it because someone else still has my monitor probably. Hunter die, no. Perfect. Okay, so it appears we need to now set some kind of random picker and chooser if it's there or not here, but I can get rid of the generator. Let's close the generators. And then get rid of not these, I have to move. This goes away. Wait, I need to remove them from the code first. Find. So let's get rid of all of this. This. We also need to get rid of the enum. And initialize generators. Where do we use this? Away. Where else? Nope. Generators. Safe. And then the enum. Where is the enum? Wait, it must be in the root, which means... Where's the root? Is it in here? Well, yes. Where do I find this thing? No. What did I want to remove again? Yes, but also I wanted to remove it from an enum. Where's that enum again? Here it is. Which name? Ah, that's just a name, not an enum. Okay. Alright, now it should be clean. Dialog, whatever. And go here and remove this. And remove this. Level root still has it. Save all. Okay. I have to restart everything. Still getting used by the root. But where? Generators. Lookup table. Where? What? Yeah, I guess I have to go and everything here. Oh wait. That's interesting. This is still here. Yeah. Now I can remove it, right? Yes. Now, where do we put this? Point of interest? No. This. In here. now everything's fine. And we can continue. First off, we need to choose which to spawn and if we even spawn anything. So what we need is get storage, trial, orbling inventory. Then we have to get through all of this and check if it's in here. Maybe we should make a function out of this. Like this. We probably won't be needing this local variable inside. Probably don't need to check. Point of interest. Actually, point of interest trial. Yeah. Point of interest trial orbling. Promote local point of interest. And then boom. Okay. Oh, this is fine. This. Okay. So, ID, lookup table. Now we have to add them. This is not needed right now. First off, for each let's we don't care right now. Local trial orb links not yet collected, not yet in inventory, and this is an array. Contains if this thing is inside of this, and do nothing. If not, add it here. Alright, and then we take this and look if not empty. If not empty, then we have to choose one of these. Could even make this a map, no? I should make this a map actually. Yes. Add this. And then add the weight in here. Not empty. But the map now armed. Okay, now I have a question here. Let's say we have 4 entries, okay? Four entries. We have orbling number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Orbling number. And they have a weighted chance to spawn 1, 3, 6, 2. This means we have a dice roll of 12. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. Right? So we roll the dice rolls, and lands on 5. We count. 1 is not in, 2, 3 is not in, 4, 5, 6 is in. So this guy gets spawned. And then we catch 3. Now I remove this from the list. Now we change the dice. It is not anymore 12. Now we are with 6. A dice roll of 6. We roll a 5. This one goes away. We collect them. And then we have a dice roll of 4. We roll a 2. This one is gone. And now if I go into the cave, it doesn't matter how low this weight is. This guy gets spawned 100%. Would you guys like this? There is an alternative to this. If we have, again, 4 entries, again with the same weights, a dice roll of 12. I roll a 5. This one is taken. We fight them, we collect them. Now, I just say, do not spawn this. Now next time I roll a 5 again. It goes into the table, says, okay, it's this one. Oh, wait, you already have this. I do nothing. So we have an empty cave. Is this better or is this better? With this, you always have a guaranteed trial orbling waiting for you, so you can farm him. And with this one, you have a chance to have a empty room. This would also mean that rarer orblings will be always rare to find. Means you have to go, check, go back. Go, check, go back. What do you guys say? When I think about it, this one is dangerous. Because you will never know, unless you look at my stream, that is. You will never know how many orblings are waiting in a cave. So you might go in, fight a trial orbling, go in again, don't find anything anymore, and you would maybe now decide never check it again because you're done there. After 1 hour you check again, you don't see anything. You never come to this island ever again. I think we shouldn't do that. So maybe the guaranteed one is better. Even though it feels a little cheesy. Because then the weights don't matter that much. I could always write 1, 1, 1, 1 on all of them. To make it a fair dice roll instead. I guess that's the way to go then. Yeah, exactly. And I think I favor the time of the player. I don't want them to grind mindlessly. Of course there will be a grind, but why make trial orblings be that rare to drop in a cave where you go inside the cave, check, is there something? No, go back home, go back in, check the cave. That doesn't seem fun. I rather have random spawns at something where it is fun to roll the dice. Okay, then I have to change the way I am implementing this. Because I should not... yeah, wait. This is correct how I'm implementing. Never mind. Yes, but a trial orbling is not an orbling you've used to fight with. A trial orbling is the source of abilities you can give your orblings. You know what I mean? It's like an item. An attack you find, and there is a set amount of attacks. There are no infinite number. Yes, kinda, but kinda also not, because I wouldn't have made it that rare. Anyway, let's continue. So, what are we doing here? We are getting the storage. We are looking at the ID, looking for the table. Adding the IDs with the weights we don't have yet into the map. So if this is not empty, now we want to make a dice roll, which means I need to iterate on the values to make a sum. Local dice roll a dice size. This is an integer. For each, we say that plus the element equals this, and we have to sum. So if it's not this, then do that. And then we have the size of the dice, and can now say random integer in range, minimum 0, maximum -1. Because I want this number 0 if I get the number 0, wait, I could also just say it starts by 1 and goes to the maximum. This is more convenient, because if I have 1, I want to also check if it's that size. Alright, so how do I get through this now? We have to keys for each. Local dice roll. And this goes in here, and then we find if the dice roll is smaller or equal this thing, local chosen trial orbling ID set here true, and we can also make this break loop. Yeah, this goes here, and then this goes in here. So if we find anything, we can close the loop, and then we have this. Which we now wait. TO11. Yes, we have to go with TO11. We are saving here, yeah. Okay, then we take this. And we go in with TO11. Also, it goes in here. Now, I believe this should work. So let's go ahead and check if it actually works, because we disconnected all of this. Let's see if it works. This would make it spawn now with a random trial orbling. Which is not random right now because we only have one trial orbling. But it should make it so that we don't see the trial orbling twice. So it should be empty next time when we fight him again. So we go in here. Say hello. Now it will not despawn when we, of course, finish the fights. The fight is finished. We have it in our inventory. I say we go back. We are back. Hopefully everything cleaned up correctly. So now it shouldn't appear. And it doesn't appear. I love it when things just come along. All right. So now we could also look if we can actually make it so that we have two trial orbings. Where did I put them again? Was it here? This is trial orbling 1. Has an internal stat as parent. Abstract internal stat. And this one is a trial orbling island 1, 2. We go, we save, we close, we open again. Now this one I want to be maybe snack. Put this here so I can put for slimy. Was called Trial of the First, this is done Trial of the Second. None, this is now a snack. 0, 0, 0, 0. He is 100. Level 10. Maybe make it level 2 so it's not so dangerous. No. We added 2 abilities here. One is neutral. And the second one is air. Let's say confusion. Air. We have that. Oh, this is probably not enough. We add... No, we don't add it here. Move it. So I get rid. Delete. We have to add one of this. This is now a TO1, 2 with a probability of 1. So they have a 50-50 chance. Now this is probably still not enough. I have to look for the trial orbling data tables. Orbling. What is this? Not in use. Database. I only need to do this though. EO 1, 2. This is snack. Type snack doesn't matter. Snack ability ID. So the ability ID I would still need. What is this and what is this? Ability. I maybe add it here. Else write text right now. Crystal barrier test. What's the air ability called? Air confusion. This one. Wait, did I just take the sleep one? Confusion. Here, give me that again. And then we say test. Ooh. Add it there too. This one. And then air confusion test merge power 3. Save. Plus CO1, 2 trial. Zero 1. Oh, 1 0 2. Exit energy 0 0. Add reward orblings. TO1 2. Save. And then barrier test air. Element is air. Ability data, air, confusion. Text is this, but we don't have a text. Maybe I should add that. Ability text. This guy. Yeah, we don't even have that for crystal. Don't match. Area text. Air confusion text. Crystal. Wait. A barrier that blocks magic attacks but lets through physical attacks. It gets damaged by physical attacks anyway. Something. It didn't save. Oh my god, I need to press enter. Imagine that. Barrier that stops magic attacks but lets through physical ones will get damaged by physical attacks anyway. Air confusion. Physical attack that pulses on Okay, so the data tables are ready for the second orbling. I think I also added here. Does it get spawned? Yes. So I guess we now hope for the best and see if it gets spawned. All and main. So what we want to see is either a snack or a slime enemy. Today it is nothing because dialogue. We forgot the dialogue. None. Not have a dialogue. Interesting. Add the dialogue. There's more to add. Oh no, in in this case nothing is nothing. Content. Make a extra one for trial orblings. Look up. We added more here. Could link it to the same trial orbling text. If I wanted to say something else, I can, but I should link it to this, and this should be maybe trial orbling level 1 speech. No, this makes no sense. This is not only speech. This is actually starting a fight with a payload. So they are linked. I cannot do this. Move. This is one each. Dialogue. And we duplicate this and say this is not 2. Only thing that is changing is that the battle with 2. Maybe I want to change this in the future because I would need to do this for 120 orblings maybe. We will see. This is fine, I need to link it. TO 0 1 2. Next. Text can be the same though. I shouldn't trial orbling text. We do here. Dialogue content. Move. Copy. Hunter stupid. No, I think. All right. So what is it? Dialogue none does not have valid dialogue graph. It is not. Initialized. Why? Should go in with ID in here. One C2. One C2. Either this or this. So this is fine. What is not fine is that it cannot add this. Chosen, it maybe cannot find it. For each. Local size 1, 2 gets 1 or 2 inclusive, hopefully. Yes. So dice roll 1. Oh! I'm doing this wrong. I have to do it like this. This added by this. And then this getting checked. Now it should work. We are looking at size, it's also not correct. Did two things wrong here. Size roll. No, this and this is this. Local size dice index sum. Be local size should be this. No, it works. So it checked with number 2. So it found it because it spawned it, which means it should be snack. Or it didn't find. And okay, should never be 2 times. Nice, I checked one, it got Tomati. So we can fight I mean Slimy. But now, are we lucky enough to roll a 2? He rolled a 2. Why is there no error this time? Wait, the error was here, right? Yeah. So it failed to resolve the table input. Be sure to is valid. This guy didn't get the correct table. EN text. Where's the content? Ah, look at that. TO 1 2. Wait, don't we have it? Oh, whoops. I added it here. Ah, named differently. Dialog text. This guy, please. Now this. So EN 2. This one. Now it works. Okay. Let's test this, and if this works, I am done for today, and next time we have to make it so they disappear after the fight. Shouldn't be appearing when we have the thing. This is now the first one, which is slimy. And we won. Got them in. We go back home. So now we go again, and this time it should be snack instead. And if we go a third time, there should be nothing there anymore. So we look. This snack. There he is. Change to our OP thing. What just happened there? Did it try to do it here, but did it to himself? I need to look into this. This is a problem. Okay, the second one I have. We go back. And look if we have now two more to merge. We have slimy and snack. Alright, so this works. Now we go and look if there is another orbling, and if there is no orbling, we are done. Then maybe I could do another test where the first orbling is not slimy but snake, just to be sure. Could never be a problem, but here he is not anymore, so we restart and hope that now snack is first, because it's random. Nope, it was slimy, as we can see. Now we have snack, which means after we fight him, and return. Now we should have slimy there. And there he is. Alright. This is done. Now let me add one critical error we have. Confused Shroomy made a wall at player, but camera was at enemy. It's a bug. Now we can get rid of the prints. Little cleanup. This is fine. Just a little too far off, maybe. And that's it. So what we did, make spawnable, make them random, and that collected ones do not spawn. That's done. The only thing we have to do is get rid of them after the spawn, after the fight, and then trial orplings are done. And then we will either begin with the boss fight or the obtainable orplings themselves. I probably will go with this, since I don't need prep work. For the boss I need to create more worlds and so on, so this could be a problem. And maybe after this I could also look into this bug. Anyway. Yummy, baby. Thanks for watching, for tuning in. Everyone. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.